over x to the negative second plus y to the negative second. So before we even start working on this thing, we might want to know. Well, we will have to remember our rules of exponents. I want to rewrite this without these negative exponents. So we want to remember, and I'll just recall, what is x to the negative first? It's another way to write x to the negative 1 power. 1 over x. And one more, what was a way to write x to the negative 2? 1 over x squared. So these are just recalling some rules of exponents. Using these rules, let's rewrite this fraction. This is going to be 1 over x plus 1 over y, all divided by 1 over x squared plus 1 over y squared. Now we've got a complex fraction. We can simplify the top, simplify the bottom, and do the work. Top, 1 over x plus 1 over y. What's my common denominator going to be? xy. So this is going to be y plus x over xy. Everybody okay with that? I'm kind of combining a few steps now. What's my bottom? 1 over x squared plus 1 over y squared. What's the common denominator going to be for this guy? Yeah, good, David, and everyone else, x squared, y squared. So this is going to turn into be, oh, I meant to write this, I meant for that to be a negative, but I'm going to leave it as it is. This is going to be y squared plus x squared all over x squared, y squared. Everybody okay with that? Again, I got a common denominator. I multiplied this one by y squared, multiplied this one by x squared, add up the tops, keep the bottoms, keep the denominators. Finally, top divided by the bottom, this is y plus x over xy times, I'm going to go ahead and skip that, writing that division step, and go ahead and multiply it by the reciprocal of the bottom. So x squared, y squared, all over y squared plus x squared. Everybody okay so far? Good, Kevin? So what will cancel out here? So 1x will cancel out with one of these x's. One of these, this y will cancel out with one of these y's. And that leaves me with, on the top I've got xy, so this x and this y, times y plus x. And on the bottom I've got y squared plus x squared. And that will finish the problem. I cannot factor this anymore.